UPSC is bringing reforms from Prelims 2026. The Commission will release a provisional answer key very soon after the Prelims exam. So you review your questions and the answer that you have given, you spot an issue, and it's going to be very easy for you to submit your objection also. It's going to be easy to calculate the marks. So jitni uncertainties or anxieties mein aap rehte the, that is going to be reduced. No more surprises. So this reform is going to be a game changer in UPSC's journey. Now you also need to start bringing reforms in your strategy to prepare for this exam. And this message is for all the beginners who are thinking and who have just started to prepare for this exam. UPSC is not an exam that you prepare forever. It's an exam that you prepare at the right time for the right period of time. Some aspirants, they keep preparing for this exam for 5-6 years. But think about it. Do you really want to give so many years of your life to this one exam? Many rank holders who have cleared this exam in their last attempt or 5th attempt, even they say that they have sacrificed a lot and they don't want you to sacrifice these many years. So what if you start your preparation today with a focused plan for UPSC CSE 2027 and clear this exam in very first attempt? And to guide you on how to begin with this preparation, LevelUp IS is going to conduct a session on 24th of October at 5 p.m. This session will be taken up by Santosh Sir, who is a guide and mentor of so many rank holders and recently of All India Rank 3. This session is going to be in offline and online mode. So a complete 2-year roadmap for the absolute beginners. Zero se leke aapko full UPSC ready banane ki zimmedari is all on us. Your dream, it deserves the right start. So don't wait for your last attempt. Make your first attempt count. Register for free for this session. Thank you.